Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today I'm going to be answering some of your frequently asked questions. You guys have been disturbing me in my DM, so today I'm spilling all the tea. So stay tuned and let's get right into it.
How do you get the inspiration to cook?
Inspiration to cook. It's like math too. It's like they're solving math question. Anyways, let's just by the way, I believe food is art, and before I cook, I always have the end in mind. You can tell from my presentation. So I think the end is what inspires me to cook. So in case I want to make Tom Brown tomorrow, I've already thought of how I want the Tom Brown to look like when it's being served. Yeah, so that's what inspires me.
Why do you pay attention to the outlook of your food?
Sunday, let's take a drink. You see, when you post beautiful pictures of your food and people just look at the picture and they are drooling, just peppering people anyhow. That's the reason, no. I just like how food looks. I feel like people enjoy food more when the presentation is nice. I mean, you don't have to go to a fancy restaurant to be able to enjoy nice looking food. You can do that at home as well. So, yeah, I serve myself as the queen that I am.
Do you ever have a feeling your food may not taste nice to someone who tries it?
We all have different taste buds, so I mean, is it my fault that you can't taste? Just kidding. Well, before I used to be really scared when someone wants to try my food, but when you're cooking, every recipe goes with some particular ingredients and some particular measurement. So when you know you need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and you are using the right measurement, I don't think you should be scared when someone tries it. But then again, you might get all the ingredients right and it will still taste different to somebody else. And that's totally okay.
What is your favorite food?
I'm drilling right now thinking about it. Well, for those of you who didn't know, I'm a vegetarian here. And if you're from the Volta region, you know what food I'm talking about. Just pass me my apple with tamawabi tadi, chale. You know what? We need to finish up this video so that I get my apple.
Have you ever tried a recipe that didn't go well?
Ha! I am me. There's this one recipe that I went back and forth 4 good times. I think I shared that recipe on the channel and I told you guys how I struggled with it, the dry puff puff recipe. It was that bad. I kept throwing away ingredients. It always turns out bad until I got someone to teach me how to make it, and then I finally got it. So it's not always that rosy as it seems. Yeah, there are days that recipes don't go well.
Do you have a meal plan you stick to?
Guys, on paper, yes, I do. I literally have what I should eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner Monday to Sunday, guys. But in reality, I need to do better. I don't stick to it, but I do have a meal plan. So maybe this year I'll try and stick to it and probably share my meal plan with you guys.
Give me 3 ingredients you have used in most of your recipes.
3 ingredients that I mostly use in most of my recipes. Well, you guys know how I love my smoothies. There are lots of smoothie recipes on the channel, so if I'm supposed to pick 3, it would definitely be honey, milk, and Greek yogurt for smoothies. But for main dishes, definitely salt, pepper, and oil.
What single advice would you give to your subscribers to instill confidence in them?
I mean, cooking, I think everybody can cook here. So if you don't have the confidence, that's totally okay. Just keep practicing. Know your ingredients and the right measurement. So if you want to fry plantain, you know you need plantain, you need salt, you need oil. The quantity that you need. The first time, if you don't get it right, make sure the second time you get the right measurement well. And keep practicing. The confidence comes when you keep practicing. Once you are perfect, you cook like a pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was actually fun to make. If you want more videos like this, leave a comment down below, and you can leave any questions that you want me to answer in the comment section below. This video was sponsored by Commelab. They are into social media marketing, branding, photography, and cinematography. You can contact them. Their number is going to be on the screen and also in the description box below. Their location will also be there, so do check it out. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.